Okay. So in first lecture we discuss about the procedure with a solution of a question, how we proceed whenever such type of question will come when we have to divide a line segment. Okay, so let's see the first question of exercise 11.1 NCERT. Okay, and the question is the draw a line segment of the length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Okay, and measure the two part. Okay, so this question is the first question of exercise 11.1, and at the same time I just want to tell you one more thing, that from question number 2, whatever the question present in the first exercise of NCERT this year, CBSE is not considering. Okay, so the construction based on line segment, the division of line segment in which we have to construct a triangle. Okay, so this type of construction will not come this year. Okay, so we have to only concentrate in first topic only to how to divide a line segment. Okay, such type of questions. Okay, sometime one more type of question will come in which these things are not there. Okay, you have to divide in like this way, 5:8. If these things will happen. Okay, in some questions are there like AB is a line segment and P is a point which divides AB, okay, in two part in such a way, that AP upon AB is equals to 5/8. Then how you will find out ratio? Okay, let's figure it out. Here AP is equals to 5 and AB is equals to 8, means 8 is the whole part. 8 is the whole part, isn't it or not? If AP is 5, then obviously this one is 3. So you have to figure it out that the AP upon BP is equals to 5/3, isn't it? So always keep in mind that if such type of questions are there in which P is a point which divides AB, and question given you that the AP upon AB, okay, half upon whole are given in the terms of fraction, then how it will convert into ratio? It will convert like you have to figure it out. If this part will given 5, then obviously other part is 3 if whole is 8 centimeter. Okay, then you have to divide in 5:8 ratio. Okay, don't do 5:8. Okay, because look over there, AP upon AB is given. Okay, not AP upon PB given. Okay, so keep in mind these things. Let's come over there. Draw a line segment of the length 7.6 centimeter. So first procedure is to construct a line segment using ruler. Okay, having 7.6 centimeter. First step, 7.6 centimeter of line segment. Okay, put over there A and put over there B, isn't it? Then after, second step, construct a acute angle from A, whether you will go above or you will go down. In first lecture I choose above, in this lecture I will perform over there. Okay, so I am going to make a acute angle, isn't it? And I give name C. Here BAC is an acute angle, so this is our next procedure to make an acute angle. Okay, less than 90 degree. Okay, then after what you have to do? Here 5:8 means 5 plus 8. We have to mark 13, A1 A2 A3 A4 A5 till A13. Okay, A13, and each and every mark position having in equidistance to each other. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to proceed some more one like this way, isn't it? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12 and A13. Keep in mind the distance between A12 and A13 is always equals to the distance between A11 and A12. Okay. So whatever the distance between each and every marked position are equal. Okay. Then next step, join B to A13. Okay. A13. Okay. So this is our third step to join it. Okay. Now 5:8. 5:8. From A5, draw a line, or we can say that draw a line segment in such a way that this line segment is parallel to A13B, isn't it? For that we have to take compass, and then after what we have to do, from this point make a semicircle, and then after from this point cut it out or measure it out. Then after same thing perform by this point A5, draw semicircle, and from this point whatever the measurement you got by a compass, same measurement you have to mark a small arc over there. Okay. Then after whatever the intersecting position are there, point are there, you have to draw a line segment. So then you got a point P. And now you divide AB in two part in the ratio of 5:8. Okay. And now with the help of ruler you will measure. What you will measure? The length of AP and the length of PB that the question asks, measure the two part. Okay. If sometime question asks you to justify this all these things, how you will justify? Okay. So you know basic proportionality theorem, Thales theorem, in which whatever the line drawn parallel to base of a triangle, then what will happen? Half upon half. Okay. What will happen? In any triangle A13 and B, if a line drawn in such a way that this is A5 and this is P, then what will happen? Obviously A5 upon A5 A13 is equals to AP upon PB. Okay. You will also prove or justify by Thales theorem. Okay. So this is all for this lecture. Okay. I suggest you to solve only this type of question from previous year question. Okay. And in next lecture we will deal with all the construction based on circle and tangent to the circle. Okay. Thank you.